Hey, culinary enthusiasts, are you ready to take your cooking to the next level? Today, we're diving into the world of precision cooking with the Instant Precision Dutch Oven. This kitchen marvel is about to revolutionize the way you braise, sear, sauté, slow cook, and keep your dishes warm. Get ready for gourmet results right in your own kitchen. Let's kick things off with precision cooking. The Instant Precision Dutch Oven is designed to give you precise control over cooking time and temperature. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook looking to elevate your game, achieving professional results has never been easier. Say goodbye to guesswork and hello to perfect, mouth-watering dishes every time. But wait, there's more. This Dutch oven isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a versatile 5-in-1 wonder. You can braise, slow cook, sear, or sauté, use it as a cooking pan, and even as a food warmer. It's like having a culinary Swiss Army knife in your kitchen. No need to clutter your countertop with multiple appliances when this one does it all. Let's talk about aesthetics and durability. The Instant Precision Dutch Oven is crafted from heavy-duty cast iron, boasting a durable enamel coating that not only ensures a long life, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. The cooking pot is removable, making it oven and stovetop safe. Plus, it's so beautiful that it can go from cooking to serving seamlessly. One of the standout features is the matching lid with a self-braising grid on the underside. This ingenious design ensures that your food stays evenly moist and tender throughout the cooking process. Say goodbye to dry, overcooked dishes and hello to culinary perfection. Cooking for a family or friends gathering? No problem. The Instant Precision Dutch Oven can handle it. With the ability to cook up to 6 servings, it's perfect for growing families, entertaining guests, or meal prepping for the week ahead. Versatility meets capacity in one stunning package. After a delightful meal, no one wants to face a daunting cleanup. Thankfully, this Dutch oven has your back. Both the cooking pot and the lid are dishwasher safe, allowing for quick and hassle-free cleanup. Spend more time savoring your meal and less time scrubbing pots and pans. Safety and convenience are paramount. The package includes a silicone protective pad to safeguard your surfaces and silicone handle covers for serving. No more worrying about hot handles or potential damage to your countertops. Here's an extra perk. The Instant Precision Dutch Oven is BPA, FOA, PTFE free, ensuring that your cooking is not only delicious but also environmentally friendly. For the tech-savvy, here are some key details. It packs a powerful 1500 watts, operates at 120 volts 60 Hz, and is OL and ULC listed. It's built to deliver gourmet results with safety and efficiency. In conclusion, the Instant Precision Dutch Oven is a culinary game-changer. Its precision cooking, versatile 5-in-1 functionality, heavy-duty elegance, and easy cleanup make it an essential addition to any kitchen. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, this Dutch oven will take your dishes to new heights. Say goodbye to mediocre meals and hello to gourmet perfection with the Instant Precision Dutch Oven. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.